Employee-generated video is not a normal concept, especially in manufacturing. The idea of making simple improvement videos, where each person can make a simple, short selfie video of something that was bothering them and actions that they took, and then putting that out there so that they could share that with the rest of the company. It started at the employee level. It started in our sheet metal department, making small improvements in sheet metal. And when I started seeing them, I'm like, this is amazing.
What we have here is a bin of push mount zip ties on our units. We put one push mount zip tie here to hold the cord. Seeing my coworkers make videos, seeing how relatively simple their ideas were, yet how much they actually helped them, made it easier for me to want to make those videos.
This year, we're on track to make 2,200 videos. What we're after is continuous improvement. We're not actually after the video. The video just happens to be how we share that improvement across the company and how it inspires me and others to do it more often. Over the last 5 years, we've been able to double revenue and triple operating profit. And that has come based on thousands of small improvements made by all of our employees across the whole organization.